Okay, so changing out the instrument cluster lens on a 99 to 02 Chev, Silverado, Tahoe, etc. Is really easy. There are 4 tabs on, you'll see on this top side, there are 4 tabs like this, and this. And all they are is, this little piece pushes in, and then it'll pop out of this little hook there. And on the bottom, there are also 2 of them like this and this, and so you can see how easy it is. So you simply start up here with these, you push in and up on that little black piece underneath, they all pop right out, then you get this one, and the whole thing lifts right off. That simple. When you're reassembling, putting the new lens on, the thing to watch out for is the odometer button. Make sure that doesn't get broke off, so make sure it's lined right up with the holes like that. Slip it on there. Make sure that these 2 and these 4 are all sitting in their grooves like they should, and then you just push it down like that, and voila, there you go.